Hello tax students, this is Kamida, your teacher, showing you a video of how to install the new 2013 TaxACT on your Windows computer. The installation is a little bit different than prior years, so this is a new video. So let me go ahead and insert the installation CD in my computer. The CD comes with new textbooks that you purchase from the Leeward College bookstore. And you're welcome to use other types of tax preparation software, but this comes packaged with our textbook. Here you can see the automatic dialog box to run the setup program. And if this doesn't pop up, you should run the setup that's on the root directory of the CD. So I clicked on it, and you can see now the listing of different options that you can install on your computer. The default one, which we'll install, is for the regular 1040 edition, and it's all from the preparer's point of view and not really a consumer tax program that you would prepare only for yourself, but here you can prepare multiple returns, and you'll be doing so for our project and maybe even some homework tax returns. This enterprise edition allows the preparer to do things like billing, electronic filing, maybe even some financial management, and you have to pay an additional fee to get an unlock code to install this version. A 1065 form is used for partnership tax returns. 1120S is a type of corporation that's treated like a partnership, and this 1120 down here is for regular partnership tax, not partnership, but corporate tax returns. And if you want to learn how to prepare basic partnership and corporate returns, make sure you continue and take Accounting 137, Business Income Taxes, here at Leeward College. So we'll keep this first one the default 1040 edition and click the install button. Okay, and then it's starting the installation process, where we just continue with the next button here and accept the license agreement and next. And again, we're just using the regular edition, not this enterprise, which you would have to pay for an unlock code. So click the next button, putting it into this directory, and we'll install a shortcut on our desktop to make it easy to start the program. In the TaxACT Program Manager group, next, and it's installing. Now this is the second time I'm installing the software on my computer, so there's going to be some things that you don't see in this video that you may see on your computer screen. Here there's some information you can scroll through, but I'll just click next, and here it's asking if you want to install a free 10-key and adding machine software in your computer. And the Windows computers already come with a calculator, and there's a history that is basically like a running tape. The main difference between this one, the TaxACT 10-key calculator, and this one is that the TaxACT calculator you can probably print out, whereas the Windows calculator you may have to copy and paste this tape area into whatever document you want to save your work. So I'll just keep it off here to make the installation faster and click next. We do want to keep this checkbox on for the auto check for updates. There's periodically, almost every week, an update to TaxACT. So let's go ahead and finish. And here we're back at that listing of different options. So I'll just close this dialog box. And if you look at your desktop, you should see an icon to start the TaxACT software. So when you double click on it, what you'll see is a splash screen. Here, this TaxACT splash screen, and it'll disappear. And here, the first thing it may ask you if you want to update the software. In another video, I'll show you how to prepare a tax return. In this video, all I'm doing is showing you how to install the software. And it's important to do the updates, but I'm going to show you later, again in another video, what would happen if you don't update the software. So I'll click this Install Later button. Now you're going to probably see more dialog boxes on your screen. Maybe one to say if you want to turn on a billing for taxpayers by form, and then maybe another one by invoice, maybe another dialog box asking you to create an engagement letter or a transmittal letter. Just say no to all of those things. We're not going to do that for our class. And it then may ask you to set up a prepare. Now I've already done that, setting up a prepare. And if you have already done it or you change your mind, a way to do that is to go to this prepare option in the menu bar, and down here to the master information option, the submenu, select prepare, and you can see I'm already here. And if you want to add a new prepare, you can click on this add button, or if you want to edit an existing one, you would select that existing one and click on this edit button, making sure you enter your first name and last name. You don't need to fill out anything else, but real professional preparers are required to put on the tax return a prepare tax identification number that you would get when you register with the IRS. So the software may warn you that if you don't enter this in, you probably need it. Now for our class, you can just bypass that requirement. Just leave that blank. And when you click on OK or Save, you now will see your name on this prepare list. And the first one, I believe, is going to be the default one that will show up at the bottom of every 1040 form that you create. I've already started a tax return here, really started a client, but again, I'll show you how to create a tax return in another video. So again, this is Roy, just preparing a video here for you so you can start to install this TaxACT software on your computer. If you have any questions, email me, kamida@hawaii.edu.